Hidden for centuries, the forgotten castle awaits a second life.
Beneath the ruins, its legendary beauty still survives.
Every stone is carefully studied before the rebuilding begins. The forgotten fortress awakens. Restoration finally begins. A stronger foundation brings the ancient fortress back to life. Centuries of collapse are reversed, one stone at a time. The castle's tallest guardian rises once again.
Fine craftsmanship restores the soul of the fortress.
The final stones complete a fortress once thought impossible to restore. After centuries of silence, the fortress stands strong once again. A forgotten legend has returned to inspire a new generation. But its royal legacy has only begun.
The forgotten throne hall awaits its final rebirth.
Every crack becomes part of the rebuilding plan. Hidden beneath the ruins, the royal hall breathes again. Stone by stone, the kingdom's strength returns. The royal pillars rise with timeless precision. A royal crown rises above the kingdom once more. Every royal detail returns with master craftsmanship. The throne of kings rises once again. Color and light restore the kingdom's forgotten glory. For the first time in centuries, the royal hall shines again. A forgotten kingdom stands glorious once more. From forgotten ruins to eternal royal glory.